How to change avatar frame on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change avatar frame on PUBG. Changing avatar frame on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile, launch the game on your mobile device. Go to Profile, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the main menu. Edit Profile. In your profile view, tap on Edit button, usually a pencil icon. Select Avatar Frame. In the Edit menu, you will see option for changing your avatar frame. Tap on the Avatar Frame option to view the available frames. Choose a new frames. Browse through the list of frames. Some frames may be free while others may require in-game currency like UC or may be unlocked through special events. Apply the new frame. Once you find a frame you like, tap on it to select it. Then confirm your choice by apply the new avatar frame. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change avatar frame on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.